Okay, g'day, Rudy here. So I know I've got a few people who are wanting to pick up Woodside at cheaper prices. So I'll go over that, but before I'll just have to obviously start with the king. Now that I've made him the king, the MVR. So we'll have a look at all the big boys. Just to remind people, this is a 1, 2, 5, 10-year investment, and the things will go up and down. So technically, from a chart point of view, it can still come down a bit. We've broken this resistance. Santos is the main cause today, but we'll go through that. So I'm not worried. In a year's time, it'll be a lot higher. Okay, so we'll start. So the oil price. So this is US dollar oil. So it's doing nothing exciting. It probably wants to come back down a bit more to this sort of key support area. Natural gas isn't looking hot. It's coming down, but the big fella, he doesn't care. We were looking at weekly charts, so we're on a daily chart here. So I mentioned a few people. Hopefully, we maybe pick it up around the 25.50s. But if we go to an hourly chart, you shouldn't be doing this as a long-term investment. But it actually got down to 25.70 and finished the day up. So if oil prices and natural gas prices down like that, and Woodside's just hanging on, I really don't think you're going to pick up Mr. Woodside any cheaper. And as he's the biggest holding in Mr. Mvr, although they're all about 8-9%, the big boys. Orica is an MVR, so that's looking fine. This is our worry boy at the moment in MVR, Santos. So Santos, for those who didn't know, they've had a takeover. They had a takeover offer back here, cash offer, overseas investors. I mean, in reality, they should block it, because these guys provide a lot of gas to Australia. So in the Australian spirit, I think they should block it, and maybe it looks like it's coming to fruition that it's not going to get in. So that would mean a gap fill. So a bit of pain there, and that'll bring a bit of pain to the old MVR. But anyway, that's life. Just pretend you're a CSL holder. Imagine that. Or a Boss Energy holder. So it happens to resources and everywhere. Okay, who else we got? So we've got South 32. South 32 is a bit of a laggard in the pack, but you get that when you buy the pack. Not everyone's a superstar. But still just range bound. So they're in... so like zinc, the zinc price, just consolidating. That's daily. Let's go to weekly. That's a bit. So you can see here, zinc price is still getting a bit of a squeezy. The lead price. So this is the main commodities of South 32. So it's not going to do much. If you're a holder, you'd probably move out, but for MVR, you just got to take them all. It's like family. You can't get rid of them. But as a pack, they're good. Who else we got here? So we got the iron ore. Okay, so this is interesting. We'll go to a daily on the iron ore. So we said buy the iron ore miners around here. Well, part of my bullishness for MVR was that like if we go to a long-term chart, because MVR is half iron ore basically if you add them all up and put them together and divvy them up. So MVR wasn't going to go anywhere without the iron ore price. So you can see we're at the bottom of the range. We've broken this downtrend line. So we've done a break, retest up, and now it's coming. It looks like it's coming back down for another retest. That's fine. These things move slow. Copper. So as well, if you're in resources, you know copper got slammed. So it's just holding there. That's fine. So how's BHP going? So BHP is still outside of the dome. You've got this really big bull flag that once it breaks clears $43, then that should be away. Rio, again, just in this, once that iron ore price gets giddy up, then these guys will start going. Fortescue, so it's back above the trend line, above the big box. So it's good that the iron ore price has been coming down and they're just stagnant. That's always good news. All right, and then for our coal boys, so the coal price was up at resistance, come back. How's our New Hope? So our New Hope. Okay, so this is the time to buy, I said yesterday, so hopefully you bought it. It looks okay. Just hopefully that's what you want to see, consolidation and then an up move. And I think that's about it. All right, so Woodside, I think you're just going to have to pay up. All right then, thanks for that. Let me know your thoughts on any of this. See ya.